AI is revolutionizing everything from the way we work to the way we live. But here's the big question. Are you ready? Artificial intelligence is not just some far-off, futuristic idea anymore. It's already here, in your phone, your home, your job. In fact, AI is expected to create trillions in economic value by 2030. But AI isn't just about robots and self-driving cars. It's already changing the way we consume content, how we get recommendations on Netflix, even how doctors diagnose diseases. It's in your Spotify playlist and your Instagram feed. Here's where it gets exciting for you. If you know how to leverage AI, you'll not only survive in the future, you'll thrive. Learning AI skills can give you an edge in the job market, help you become more efficient, and even open up entirely new opportunities. Getting started with AI doesn't have to be overwhelming. There are simple tools like ChatGPT for writing, ElevenLabs for AI voices, and Leonardo.ai for generating stunning images. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to learn. Here's a pro tip. Start using these tools today to level up your skills. The future of AI is moving fast, and those who adapt now will be the ones who succeed tomorrow. The question is, will you seize this opportunity or get left behind? So what are you waiting for? The AI revolution is here, and it's time to get ahead of the game. Like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve.